water is indeed a superconductor of sound, which would explain why all species that inhabit the oceans are particularly sensitive to it. Back in the 1950s, scientists used to chuck live dynamite over the side of their boats in order for the sound to bounce back from the seafloor and map the composition of the seabed. But many sailors lost their lives in the process. This dangerous method was then replaced by the oil and gas industry that developed large arrays of seismic air guns towed behind a ship, who fire high pressurized air into the water, producing blasts and explosions of up to 250 decibels. I'm only playing this to you at 90. Numerous explosives are detonated worldwide every 10 seconds for months on end. And as such, one exploration vessel, they detonate the equivalent of the entire ocean nuclear program in 3 days. Container ships, you can add Navy ships, aircraft carriers, ocean liners, hydrofoils, ferries, tugboats, speedboats, jet skis. They've all blanketed the oceans with a steadily increasing volume of ocean noise. But the one good thing about this is when we stop it, it goes away.